Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. It was bye. Okay, as you can see, I'm pointing to the stuff. So we have garlic powder, we have some all-purpose, we have black pepper, we have cayenne pepper, we have boyo, we have some chives, we have pepper, we have onion, garlic powder, we have mustard, salt, milk, sweet corn, and then the normal corn, like cream of corn, oil. We have cheese, we have the pasta, we have egg, we have peppers, we have carrots, we have onion, we have garlic, also have some corn meal and stuff. We have our measuring cup, and we're about to make some corn pie. We also have potato. Yeah, we have corn pie. So you could see 1 teaspoon of salt in the water to boil. Okay, so we're gonna let the water boil for now. So we added about 3 teaspoons of oil to the water. As you can see, we put that oil inside. Then we're gonna put some oil in the frying pan to fry up the stuff. So we're gonna add in our onion and garlic to fry up into the things so that we can make the paste for the corn pie. Okay, so stay tuned to this video, and please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for bigger, better things to come. So we're about to add the peppers. Okay, as you can see, the peppers was a bit wet because I had it frozen in the fridge, in the freezer part I mean. And we want to add our carrots inside, and then just mix up everything together, and then just let that cook for a little while. As you can see, watch it in the pan. Okay, so now I'm adding the chives into it, and then we're going to mix it up. As you can see, watch our frying pan. So we're just gonna let that fry for a little while, and then we're going to be adding in our stuff to it. Okay, so right now we're adding the sweet corn. Okay, and then we're going to add in the sweet corn cream. Yep. And then we're gonna mix that together, and then we're gonna start adding our flavor, which is garlic powder. Gonna add that to the mixture. This is it. You could use any kind of flavoring that you want to add to it, at least to just give it a little flavor. You don't want to use exactly what I used, but you could just literally use whatever that you have that you want to add to give it that taste. Okay, so we're gonna use some all-purpose seasoning. That's a kind of seasoning that has all different kind of mixtures of stuff inside of it. Okay, so we're gonna add some to the pot, and then we're gonna add in some more seasoning and stuff to give that some nice flavor. This is some black pepper. Okay, and so thank you guys for watching, and if you have reached to this part of the video, continue to watch the video. Cayenne pepper, continue to watch this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy. my cooking, and stay tuned for bigger, better things to come. I'm gonna add some bohayo. This one has pepper inside of it, so give that a flavor. Okay. Okay, some parsley flakes. Okay, so we're gonna add that inside there. Okay, guys. Okay, so some garlic powder, and then we're gonna add in the milk, one tin. And then we're gonna add the next tin. And then we're gonna start mixing it around and stuff. In other words, to get where we want it to go. Okay. As you can see, our cheese, so we're going to be adding some cheese into it. Okay. So now I'm going to be adding 2 cups of cornmeal to it. Okay. So after we added our second cup of cornmeal to this is how thick it got. Okay, so now we're gonna put it into the baking sheet and then bake, and then voila, corn pie. So this is the end product of the corn pie. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for bigger, better things to come. Okay, thank you guys for staying and watching throughout this video, and I hope that all you guys are okay and everything is all good with everybody, and stay blessed, stay loved. Bye.